Hi folks, welcome back to Lamarque Crescent City Ford right here in beautiful Harahan, Louisiana. My name's Eric Kendrick, and today we're going to be showcasing this E-350 with a Knapheide utility body on it. And let me show you why it's so special. This is the big boy. This is on a 176 wheelbase. This one here gives you extra compartment. You get in your job and get off the job site and on to the next. That way you can save time, which makes you money. For you guys that like to work out of a van, that way you ain't got to bend over, especially if you tall guys. This is perfect for you. So it gives you that clearance and everything that you can stand up in here and not have to worry about hitting your head when you're in here trying to get all your parts organized. I do the bed liners on the inside of the material. You don't have to worry about slipping when you're coming in and out of your van and everything, especially when it's wet. Lights on top, so that way at nighttime or early in the morning, you can see to find your tools and your parts. On Knapheide, they give you a manual key, but also I order mine with the remotes, which is integrated in here to the van's body. So you can lock it, so that way you don't forget. When you're leaving the job site, you ain't gotta worry about locking every door in here. Well, if you have any questions about this vehicle or any on our lot, whether it's a regular cab, extended cab, or crew, let me build the right truck for you. My name's Eric Kendrick, and I thank you for your time.